In this video, I'll be giving you an overall explanation of what Metafields are in Shopify. You may have seen them in your admin and wondered what they are and how you can use them. Those first give you a definition before showing you what they can do. The Metafields are a flexible way for your app to add and store additional information. Some examples are specifications, size charts, downloadable documents, release dates, images, or part numbers. They can really be almost anything, and mainly they can allow you to dynamically insert content into your themes based on what's specified on the product specifically. It can sound a little technical, so let me give you an explanation using an example. So if we go to the left-hand side here and go to settings, then from there, if we go to custom data, this will open up our existing Metafields for our store. So again, we can see adding a custom piece of data to a specific part of your store. So let's go over an example here of what we used in another video for adding care instructions that can be dynamically inserted based on what was set on a product basis. So if we go into products here, we can see one of the definitions we created was care guide. So this was using a standard definition, which means it's automatically readable by apps and themes. But essentially, this care guide is a few lines of text that we can dynamically insert based on the product. So let me go into a specific example for you. I just clicked into one of our products, and if I scroll down to the bottom, I can see the Metafield down here called care guide. And for this one, it says do not wash or submerge in water. And if we go and open up the product using preview, we can then see where it has been dynamically inserted at the bottom here under care instructions. It says do not wash or submerge in water. So the great part about this is that it's going to be dynamically inserted based on what we set for a product. So if I go to the home page and we go and click on an additional product, if I then scroll down again to the tabs and I go to care instructions, I can see this one says wash with soap. Overall, there is the ability to set this in bulk as well if you're using one of the apps on the App Store, but overall it makes it super easy to do. And that's a very basic example. If we go back to custom data under settings, we can see there are quite a few things in which you can add Metafields for. You can see it for variants, collections, customers, orders, locations, pages, blogs, blog posts, and markets. There's also the ability to add meta objects, so you can create a multi-field object for custom content or data structures. You can use them to display unique information like cart upsells, size guides, or product highlights. And to note about a lot of this Metafield data is that apps will use this to add customizable ability for your store. So a lot of times when you're looking to add custom information, it may be best to look for an app first before trying to implement the information yourself. But they're definitely a very cool part of Shopify, and it adds for a lot of extensibility of the storefront. There are a lot of things to keep track of when running a Shopify store, and your accounting and profit calculations can be one of the hardest. That's why I want to show you our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator that's going to make your calculations super simple. After a quick setup sequence, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different detailed metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts such as Facebook, Google, Bing, Snapchat, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold options. It's going to give you a ton of time back and give you a very accurate picture on your store's true profit and performance. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. And there's also a link in the description below to access the same listing directly, where you can get access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this concludes the video of what are Metafields. We'll have other videos coming out on how to edit them in bulk, how to add them for specific themes, and so on. So make sure you check out those videos as well if you're looking for more information. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.